Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all will be well and safe at your home. Once again, welcome to online teaching. Children, this is your maths period. And in this video, we will learn a new concept, that is comparison of numbers. So, let us see what are you going to learn today. Number 1, the basic concepts. 2, importance, rules of comparison of numbers. 3, how to do it, and then I will tell you the easy trick to remember the symbols of comparison of the numbers. Okay, so let's start. Comparison of numbers. To compare two numbers means to find whether one number is greater than another number, one number is less than another number, and one number is equal to another number. Now let's see the symbols that used to compare numbers. There are three different symbols or signs which are used to compare the numbers. Number 1 is this sign, represents greater than. When the number is bigger than the another number, we can use greater than sign. Number 2 is this sign, less than. When one number is smaller than another number, we can use less than sign. Number 3 is equal to, and when the two numbers are equal, we use the equal sign. Now the most important thing that is the rules of comparison of numbers. So let's see the rule number 1. If a number has more digits than the other number, that number is greater or larger of the two numbers. So let's see one example. We can see here the two numbers 24 and 9. The 24 is 2-digit number and 9 is 1-digit number. So obviously 24 is greater than 9. Now let's see the rule number 2. If two numbers have the same numbers of digits, then we compare the two numbers by comparing digits at different places starting from the largest place. That will show in the step by step. So let's see step number 1. Compare largest place value digits, that is the leftmost digit in both the numbers. The number with greater digit is greater of the two. Now let's see the step number 2. If the leftmost digits are same, then compare the next place value digits, means second digits from the left. The number with greater digit is the greater of the two. Now let's see the step number 3. If all digits of both the numbers are same, then the numbers are equal. Now let's see some examples. I will show you how to use these steps. So let's see the first example. And here are also two baskets, and in number 1 basket there are 35 apples, and in number 2 basket there are 37 apples. So let's find out in which baskets have more apples. Let's see the step number 1. Compare the largest place value digits, that is the leftmost digits, and here the digits are same. You can see that 3 and 3. So let's go to the step number 2. If the leftmost digits are same, then compare the next place value digits, that is the second digits from the left and that is the ones place digit, and you can see that number having greater ones digit is greater, that is 7. 7 is greater than 5. You can write the 37 is greater than 35. And we can also write 35 is less than 37. Now let's go to the next example. And here in number 1 basket there are 35 apples. In number 2 basket there are 35 apples. So let's see the step number 1. Compare the largest place value digits, and here the numbers are same, 3 and 3. So let's go to the step number 2. If the leftmost digits are same, then compare the next place value digits, that is second digits, and here that are also same, that is 5 and 5. So let's go to the step number 3. If all digits of both the numbers are same, then the numbers are equal. So we can write 35 is equal to 35. Now I will tell you the easy trick to remember symbols. Actually, we often confuse between the two symbols, that is greater than and less than. So that's why I will tell you the first trick, that is the opening or big end of the arrow, that is this end is always pointing the larger number, and the closed end or the small end of the arrow, that is this end, is always pointing the smaller number. Got it? Before the end of our today's class, let's see once again what did we learn today. Rules of comparing of numbers, steps of comparing numbers, and told you the easy tricks to remember the greater than and less than symbols. Thank you.